Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Open the camera app and point it at the Wi-Fi QR code you received. Hold the iPhone steady until a connection notification appears across the top. Tap the notification that shows the SSID to view a Join button and network details. Tap Join to automatically add the network credentials to your iPhone keychain. Your device then attempts to connect using the saved password and chosen security protocol. If the QR contains WPA or WPA2 settings, the iPhone will apply them and connect. Create a Wi-Fi QR code with the exact network SSID and password using the standard format. Use Wi-Fi, T WPA, S your SSID, P your password, H false, for WPA or change to WEP when required. Choose a reputable QR generator website or app and paste the exact text string to produce the image. Download or export the PNG, then print or share the file with guests. For public spaces, avoid embedding admin accounts and set a guest SSID with limited permissions for safety. If scanning does not work, confirm the iPhone is running iOS 14 or later and restart the camera app. Retry scanning while ensuring the QR image is clear and not glare-covered. Distance 3 to 5 feet often helps. If the iPhone displays the SSID but cannot join, reset network settings or manually enter the SSID and password in Wi-Fi settings. For security, create a guest SSID and avoid encoding admin credentials into shareable QR codes. Revoke or rotate guest passwords regularly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.